Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Discord application using your mobile device. First of all, open up the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, tap on your U icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. Now click on the gear button at the top right and under Settings, tap on Account. Under the account menu, tap on your email. Now click on Send Verification Email since you'll need to verify your old email address in order to change it. Now you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email inbox. Open up your email service provider and open the email from Discord. You'll need to copy the code inside it. Once you copy that, get back to the Discord app and paste it inside the verification code box. Finally, click Next. On the next page, select one of the region where you are trying to change your email and click Next. Enter your new email address you want to change to in the next field. After you do that, click on Change Email. Now enter your Discord account password once again to verify yourself and click Done. You will now need to confirm your new email. Open up your email inbox, make sure to open up this new email you are trying to change to. You'll again receive a Discord verification. Click on Verify Email to change your email address. Soon after you do that, your email will be verified. Tap on Continue to Discord and you will notice that you have a new email address now inside the Accounts tab. That's how easy it is to change your email on Discord account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.